Explain to our audience kind of how China views acquiring political capital with our leaders.
Well, this is a huge disaster. I think Speaker Johnson also mentioned about this corrupt influence, this corrupting influence on all these officials. This is in the blueprint from the Chinese Communist Party, the Unrestricted Warfare, the book they released 24 years ago by two CCP generals, like just to compromising a couple of key persons who make decisions is way cheaper, is way effective than building up those arsenals and missiles and atom bombs and have an arm race, right? Because you can just control them. And remember, once you deal with the Chinese Communist Party, once you're compromised, it's no going back, because right. The CCP would use this as evidence to blackmail them, right? Yep. They have the tape, they have the evidence, and then they will say, okay, do whatever I want, or I will just release this, or I will just expose this. And then from then, like the politician or whoever make the decision is controlled, right? So it happened. It's so pervasive. I think it's happening to a lot of on a lot of levels in United States. And also you talk about the money, right? This all belongs to the BGY plan, right? The gold, the blue is the blackmail, right? The G is the gold, the money, and Y is the sex, right? Sexual corrupting influence as well. They're sending all those beautiful girls, and then all of a sudden you just find they sleep with each other, and then you have all the top secrets probably already acquired by the spy. And also they will have tapes, they will have all these evidence to blackmail, to extort all these officials. It's happening too in our government and in our Congress and all over the place. And remember, also Xi is doing this, and CCP is doing this to all other leaders around the globe, right? And the reason why he's coming now, like taking a huge risk. Remember, he's not in his good health. He has the serious cervical spine problem.
Which one has the anal problem? Is that Xi?
It's Putin. Putin has the anal cancer. Yes. I remember, like when he's doing an interview on television, like he's always like moving his leg a lot, like very uncomfortably. You remember? That's because he's very painful in his anal.
He's butthurt.
Yes,
he's butthurt.
But again, like remember, like the reason why CCP wants to risk it all to come over is he wants to show all these pro CCP elites in United States that he's still in charge. Right? He wants to show all these pro CCP elites, all the tyrannies around the globe, and he wants to also show the people internally, like in China and CCP members, that he's still in charge. He still have a really good relationship with Biden, and also to some extent, even like the U.S. is still depending on him or China. So so that this dialogue could happen, and Biden is asking for the dialogue happening. So that's the situation happening right now.